Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to maintain flow and traction during these flat. So let's talk body. So we want our weight slightly towards the front of the bike, and we want a centered, controlled body position. And with our elbows, we're going to have them nice and wide, so we have that movement with the bike. Because if we have them tucked in, it's a very limited movement with the bike. When on flat corners, we're going to try and keep our weight on our outside foot, and by keeping your outside pedal down, we can help maintain that weight on the outside foot. How can you practice this at home? Well, I'm going to show you two very simple drills. I'm going to be using cones, but you can find anything around the house to use. You can use rocks, leaves. For the first drill, you need 2 cones or whatever you're using. Anyways, for this one, we're going to put the cones or rocks or whatever you're using fairly far apart, and we're just going to do a figure of 8. So you can see that I'm trying to keep a centered body position as I can, somewhat towards the front of the bike, but roughly center, looking where I want to go, not at the cones, and really getting that angle of my bike. I've added an extra cone in. You can use as many cones or whatever you're using as you like for this drill, and we're just going to weave in and out. You can see I'm trying to keep a centered body position. My outside leg is down, keeping that pressure on the outside leg. So I've got a beginner, and let's see how she improves. Okay, so this is our beginner Sophie. I'm going to slow her cornering right down there for you. I haven't told her anything, so this is her cornering, like first try, doing anything like this. So right off the bat, we can see her shoulders are really stiff and her elbows are kind of tucked in, which like limits that movement. So we want that out, so we have that movement with the bike, and her weight's towards the back of the bike. We just want to bring that a bit forward. Overall, she's just really pedaling. How do you feel? What speed were you going at? How much grip did you feel? Do you feel comfortable on the bike?
It sort of just like felt not normal. I just felt like I was just in and out coach.
So we talked through the technique, and she had her first go. She really struggled. I went extremely slow just to see if she could copy me a bit, and she was really struggling, as you can see here. Then we gave her a couple tries to practice, and this is her only after like 3 practices. But let's see how she feels about this technique.
Sophie?
It's hard, but I think I've improved. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helps doing some flat corners. Thank you for watching. Bye.